In this video, I'm going to show you how to put a mini site together based on that share code that's below this video. And you can also use this same information if you were doing a product launch. Now there's some different pages that are going to be attached to this share code. The one I'm going to be talking about today is the one without the Facebook plugin, and it's the one with 4 videos. And that's pretty clearly marked, so you shouldn't have any trouble doing that. So in order for you to get started, when you're ready, is to grab that share code below the video, copy it, come back to your system, hover over websites, hover over web pages, and you're going to click on My Sharing Codes. In that section, you're going to paste that share code that you see right below this video and click Submit. And once you do that, all the content from that sharing code will be in your website section. All you have to do is click on Websites. Now, I did that a few moments ago, so I already know the content is waiting for me. So the first thing that I need to do is I'm going to find the template that I'm starting with, and I'm going to copy that template so I can start creating my mini site. So here's what I mean. I'm going to hover over websites, hover over web pages, and I'm going to click on copy web pages. I'm going to scroll down, and the one I want to copy is right here. It's called minisite, and the number 4, that just simply means that that is the template that has 4 videos along the top, and it says FB no. So this means this is the one without the Facebook plugin. So that's the one I want to copy. That's the one I'm going to start working from. So I'm just going to click copy this page. I'm going to scroll all the way down and click make me a copy. Now that I've copied it, depending on whether you're doing a product launch or a mini site, I would type in like product launch page 1, or since I'm doing a mini site, I'm just going to call this mini site page number 1. Now for the title tag, you may want to use whatever label you're giving each page. And I know already that I'm going to be labeling my first page capture pages. So I'm just going to call my title tag capture pages. And then I'm just going to scroll down and click Save Changes. Now I'm going to click on Edit Text. And this page that we're looking at right here is mobile optimized. So everything you see is not exactly what you get. For example, it looks like this text here is taking up 2 lines when it's actually not. It's only 1 line straight across. And so whatever you want to type here, if you want to see if it looks good on the website, you're going to have to save your changes and go look at it. For example, if I was doing a product launch and this first video had already been released, I would probably want to have some extra text. Now you notice that I just started to add more text and it looks black. If that happens to you, just back up and start again. I might have to just back up over a previous letter and then start typing like that. So here's my example of a product launch second line of text. I might type something like this. Released 12, something like that. Now you'll notice this looks all across the board. It looks really jumbled and messed up, but when I click Save and I click View, you'll notice that that actually looks really nice. Now obviously I would need more text for each of the other videos to make them all nice and even all the way across. So coming back to edit my page, I don't actually need this text here, so I won't do it. I will give you one more example though for an upcoming video in a product launch. You just want to type something simple like opens 12/29/2014, just like that. And again, you need to click on Save and go view it to make sure that this looks good. And it does. The secret is just save it and come look at it and work at it until everything is perfect. So as I create my mini site, it's important that I get as much as I possibly can done on the first template, because I don't want to make copies of this page until I get most everything done. Now, because I'm not delaying any of the videos on a mini site, in other words, I'm not waiting for a launch of a video, I'm going to go ahead and make all of these videos color. And to do that, all I do is click on the image, click on the picture icon, browse server, custom library, and you'll notice I have a color version of that same pic. I'm just going to double click on it and click OK. And I'm going to do the same thing for these other two videos. Now, even though these pictures look bigger than the other one and they look distorted, when you save and go look at it, you'll notice that they're going to look really good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up with all the different labels of my video pages for the first page of the template, because that's going to save me a lot of work, and you'll see what I mean. Video number 2, what I'm going to do is I'm going to call that video number 3. I'm going to call that features, and for video number 4, and one thing you always want to do is you want to label this headline basically the same thing as you're labeling each page. For example, I'm working on page number 1. When someone clicks on video number 1, they should see something in the headline about obviously creating lead capture pages. And you'll notice I already have that here. I probably am going to want to change the subheadline, but for now I'm just going to leave that the way it is. It looks good. I have the text that I want across the top. And one thing that you always want to make sure that you do is you want to link each page to itself, and that's very important. So I can't link video 2 to itself yet because I have not created the video 2 page, and you'll see this makes more sense as we go along. So watch this. In order for me to link video 1 page to itself, I'm going to highlight the picture. I'm going to click on variables to your web page. Now, any page that you ever create inside your system is always going to be in this drop-down menu. And if you remember, the name of that page that I just created is called minisite page number 1. So I'm going to select that one. I'm going to click the word create. And right here it says good for buttons. So I'm just going to grab this code. It starts with a /. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to come back here and I'm going to click on the link icon. Notice this picture is still highlighted. And I'm just going to paste that right there. The protocol should be set to other, and I'm going to click OK. So that is it for template number 1. What I need to do right now is I'm going to click on Save, and I'm going to click on View, and I'm going to make sure everything looks perfect. All right, everything looks really good. One thing I forgot to do was swap that video, and you should know how to do that. All you're doing is changing the 11-character YouTube code in the source code. That's it. All right, so let's check on this. Let me click on this picture, make sure it links to itself. Okay, it absolutely does. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my web pages section, and now I'm going to create minisite page number 2. So I'm going to click on copy, and I'm going to rename this minisite page number 2. And if you remember, page number 2 is compensation plan. I'm going to click save. So now I'm working on the page 2 template. So one thing I need to do here is I need to change this to say compensation plan. I would change my subheadline, and you may want to pull that up closer like that so that looks nice and tight. Another thing I would do on this page is I would go in the source code and replace this video with my company's compensation plan video, and now I need to link page number 2 to itself. And so all I'm going to do is click on this picture right here. I'm going to click on variables to your website, I'm going to find the page that I just created, and that is called minisite page number 2. I'm going to click create, and I'm going to grab this website code here. It starts with a /. I'm going to click on the link icon and paste that right here. Protocol is other, and I'm going to click OK. And I believe that is it for template number 2. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click Save Changes. Let's take a look and make sure that all works correctly. So I would have my compensation plan video in here. Click on this, make sure it goes to the correct page. And one thing that you're going to notice is that you might forget things along the way, because on the video 1 template, at the time, I didn't know yet what the video number 2 page number was. So I have to go back to template number 1 to make sure that when I'm on template number 1, video number 2 is clickable. So let's go back to web pages, and I'm going to go to minisite page number 1, click on edit. So here we are back on video number 1 template, the page number 1 template, and I need to make video 2 clickable. I'm going to click on variables to your website, and what I'm going to do is find that page, which is minisite page number 2. Click on create, grab that code, come back here, click on the link icon. Now I'm going to click paste. Protocol is other. Alright, so now I'm going to save my changes. Now let's take a look. And don't worry, if you forget something, it is so easy to test these pages. So if you click on something and it's not going where it's supposed to go, it's really easy to figure out what to do. So now I'm going to click on video 1. And that goes to video 1. I'm going to click on video 2. And you'll notice that changes the compensation plan. And I can click back to video 1. So now I have everything complete. I need to complete videos number 3 and number 4. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my web pages section, and I'm going to copy minisite page number 2, and I'm going to label this minisite page number 3, and this particular page is called features. You don't have to label your title tag the same as the video, it's up to you. I'm going to click on edit text, and so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to change this to say features. I would go into the source code, do a search for YouTube, and swap out my features video. Okay, now I would come back and I need to link video 3 page to itself. So I'm going to click on variables to your website. I'm going to find the minisite page number 3. There it is. I'm going to click create, and I'm just going to grab this code right here. Now I have just copied the variable for the minisite page number 3. So I'm going to click on the link icon, and I'm going to paste this right here. Protocol is other. I'm going to click OK, and I'm going to click save. Now while I still have that copied, I'm going to jump back really quick to minisite number 1, and I'm going to paste that right here and click save. And I'm going to jump over to minisite page number 2, click on edit, edit text, and paste this variable behind video number 3. Again, on every single page, you've got to link every single video to itself. Alright, so now I'm going to save my changes and let's go take a look to see if everything's working. Okay, so I click on video 1, and from video 1 I can click on video 3, click on video 2, and from video 2 I can click on video 3. Alright, now I have just one page left to go, and so I'm going to go to my web pages section. I'm going to click on copy because I'm going to copy mini site page number 3 now, and I'm going to label this mini site page number 4, and this is going to be testimonials in the title tag. I'm going to click save changes, go to edit text, and I'm going to change this headline to say, and for the subheadline, obviously I would go into the source code, change it to my testimonial video, and now I need to link video 4 to itself. So I'm going to click on variables to your web page. I'm going to find this brand new page that I just created called mini site page number 4. Click create, grab this code, come back and highlight this, click the link icon, and I'm going to paste that right there and click OK. Now while I still have that particular code copied, I'm going to save my changes and I'm going to jump back really quick to every other page inside this mini site and link up number 4. So I'm going to go to mini site page number 1. I'm going to click on edit, and I'm going to link this video pic to itself. Click OK and save. Now I'm going to go back to mini site page number 2. Highlight the pic. Click save changes. And now I'm going to go and do the same for mini site page number 3. Click the link icon, paste, make sure protocol is other, click OK. Now I'm going to click save. Now I believe that is it. So what I'm going to do is now I'm going to view the page, and it doesn't matter which page I start on because I should be able to go to any pic and make sure that every other video links to itself. Okay, testimonials, features, compensation plan, and you'll notice too up inside the title tag, the title tag changes to the video label. Alright, so now it looks like I've got all of this done correctly. You can change this button to say anything you want, and in my next video I'm going to show you how to change all of these colors if you want to use different colors. For example, this colored bar all across the top that's green, you can change that color to whatever you want. This dark gray behind all the pics you can change to whatever you want. And you can even change this color border around the video. It's real simple. I'll show you how to do that on the next video.